Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Casil, and here's a brief overview of 13.3 Momentum Notes and Practice. We need a lot of time to practice the math skills that we use in our class, and we simply don't have it synchronously together. So in this assignment, it says it's a quiz. It really is an assignment, so it's not going to destroy your grade. It's for practice's sake. So the idea here is that it gives you some notes about momentum and how to calculate it. These are the notes we would have done in class if we were able to be together. So there's a do now, and we actually looked at this video together, some of you, where we were looking at a very old car versus a new car and looking at the safety features that were involved. Um, then we were evaluating, okay, what's the physics behind how those safety features work? So the follow-up here, there's a video from me showing you how to calculate quite a bit of advanced physics, honestly. I'm going to play the video and just, you don't just want to preview a few things from it. The idea here is that we've got two ideas, and we've revisited those today in class. But momentum, we calculate by taking mass times velocity. So we multiply, it's funny, there's my face. It's a horrible frame to freeze on. So we have mass times velocity. That's how we calculate momentum. The little p represents momentum. You saw that in a video last week also. So the next thing that happens is we talk about how that momentum is, what impulse is. We review that more today. But the rest of your assignment, right, all of this is just sort of walking through and doing an example problem. But the follow-up that's in this quiz, here's a photo of what my completed notes look like, is that you are given several different questions, I think only six. These are just questions practicing calculating momentum. For all of them, it gives you an object. There's sort of a scenario described. Here's an aircraft carrier, which is a boat that's big enough for multiple planes to land on. So this is a big boat, and it's cruising slowly along. Here is the mass of the aircraft carrier, 9,980,000 kilograms. Here's the velocity of the aircraft carrier. It's going 0.08 meters per second. That's slow. Your job is to calculate the momentum of the object. And I was pointed out to me by a few students, I didn't say that very explicitly in here. My bad. You can figure that out, however, by looking at what units are in the answers. Kilogram is a mass times a meter per second. Kilogram meters per second, that's the unit for momentum. So, looking back up at the notes, if you want to calculate momentum, it's mass times velocity. So for each of these following questions, you're going to take the mass of the object that's given, multiply it times its velocity, and that should give you a number in your, use a calculator, right? These are crazy numbers. That should give you a number in your calculator that is one of the options that's here. All right, good luck everybody. Let me know if you have any other questions.